It is the last month of 2025, December, the last month of the year. And the truth is if you look around you, 99% of people will tell you they weren't happy with this year. They'll tell you that they're disappointed with themselves. They'll tell you that they expected so much more. And they'll tell you that they believe this year was just another failure like the ones before it. And the sad truth is, too many people believe that. I experienced the exact same thing. For me, the start of 2025, I was absolutely pissed because 2024, I had such high goals for myself. I had like a goal to hit like 5,000 subscribers, which was big for me at the time on YouTube, and yet I only had 400. I had a goal to hit a 100 kilo bench at the gym, and yet I didn't do it. I only hit 80. I had all these goals, and yet I didn't accomplish any of them. So I believe 2024 was a failure, and I believe the main issue for that was because of school. I believe that school was taking all this time out of my day. I believe that school was wasting my time. It was stopping me from success. It was stopping me from my self-improvement journey. I told myself, well, I don't need school. I don't need it for learning. I've got this by myself. I kept telling myself that all of this was because of school. All of this was because of the amount of time I was wasting on school. I had this loser mindset, and I wouldn't allow myself to change. I kept on believing that it wasn't my fault. And this year, you know what I realized? I spent the exact same amount of time in school, and yet I was 100 times more successful this year than last year. I hit 15,000 subscribers, which was absolutely insane for me. I ran 100-kilometer ultra marathon. I did all these amazing goals with the exact same amount of time given. And it's because I realized this year that it is not somebody else's fault. It is not school's fault. It is not your parents' fault. It is not like your boss's fault. It is nobody's fault that this year was a failure for you. The only person's fault it is yours. The only person's fault that this year was not your year, that you didn't accomplish your goals, was you. That is the only person to blame. Because I'm going to tell you something. If you don't like something about your life, if you don't like something you're doing, if you don't like your position, you are the only person in the entire world that is able to change that. You are the only person that is able to change the position you're in right now. No one else will do it for you. No one else will help you to do it. People might hurt you. People might try to stop you from escaping. But the only person that will break that barrier, the only person that even has a chance of escaping, is you. Is it risky? Yes. But will you regret it for the rest of your life if you don't do it? Absolutely. You cannot keep making these same mistakes over and over. You have to take accountability and realize it is your fault what position you're in right now. The truth is, last year, it wasn't school that was stopping me. It was the 4 hours of scrolling, 4 hours of video games after school which were stopping me. The fact that I was waking up 30 minutes before school instead of using 2 hours of my mornings to work before school. Stop blaming other people. Stop blaming for what situation you're in, and stop putting this negative mindset in your head. If you tell yourself you can't accomplish anything because you've got this thing hurting you, if you've got your genetics ruining you, school ruining you, oh, just wait till I graduate, till I don't have to worry about school, nothing will change. You have to realize you have to start making sacrifices. You have to start taking it out of your free time, taking it out of your rest time. You have to make sure, if you want the work in, to do it. It's not hard. If you want to sleep more, turn off your electronics 1 hour before going to bed. And then actually go to bed. Stop having these distractions stopping you from accomplishing your goals. It is so easy to be successful because everyone else is distracted. Everyone else is distracted by social media, by video games, by all of this crap, all this brain rot in our daily lives. That literally, if you just get rid of your phone, if you just get rid of these tiny things, you can be so successful. By just getting rid of these tiny things, by stopping to believe that you are the victim, by stopping to believe that everyone is your enemy, and start believing the fact that you are in control of your life. You're the only person who can change it. If you finally realize that, if you finally choose to take control of your life, you will accomplish your goals. You'll be at the end of the year grateful and satisfied with how this year went. This year, I'm extremely grateful, extremely happy with how I did. Just that mindset, just the fact that I believe I'm on the path of improvement is already an insane game changer. Last year, my biggest problem was I believed just because of these little inconveniences in my life, I shouldn't even try. There was a point last year where I believed because my parents didn't agree with YouTube, they didn't agree with what I was doing, I believed if I didn't do it and I proved them right, I believe that was a win for me. I believe that if I, let myself go, if I let myself go back into like the video game state, if I let myself go back into like this weak state, my parents would finally realize that what they were saying was wrong, that I would be actually on the right path. I believe that letting myself be bad would somehow contribute whatever. I was stupid. That's all you need to get it, okay? I was stupid. You have to stop letting other people tell you how to do your life. Don't let your life be their second life. Stop letting their decisions decide your life. If you're in a friend group which you don't like, if you're in a friend group which don't have the same goals as you, literally the only person who can get you out of that friend group is you. Will it suck? Will you have no friends for months? Yes. In my old school, if I never got out of that friend group, if I never had to take the risky decision of having no friends for months, I would not be the man I am today. I would still be stuck in that brain rot, Fortnite addicted state, which is just absolutely useless. Don't let your friends dictate your life. Don't let your family dictate your life. Don't let these inconveniences tell you that you can't be the person you want to be. I keep repeating myself, but it's because it's so important and it's something for some reason people can't realize. Everyone believes they're the victim. If you can just admit that you're not the victim and get to work, you will surpass all of them. You will surpass all of them. Stop taking everything so seriously. Stop being offended by everything. Stop acting like the victim and get to work. It is literally in human nature to want to improve, so I know you want to do it. Stop acting nonchalant. Stop acting like you're fine with doing nothing, like you're fine with being everybody's friend, with being the nice guy. Stop acting like that's what you want to be. It is in human nature to want to improve. It is in human nature to want to be a leader, to want to help people, to want to be this strong man, to have a purposeful life. Stop letting this modern bullshit of a happy life is the way to live, of just going day by day trying to find anything to make you happy. That's not it. The fact is you should be unhappy most days in the pursuit of being purposeful, of having actual meaning, of having statues after you. That is what you would want. Let that be who you want to be. Stop seeking all this instant dopamine. Stop seeking this social approvance. Focus on yourself and get to work. Every single video I've made has been the exact same message. Get to work. And yet I keep seeing people in the comments, I keep seeing people in the DMs asking, how do I get to work? I've been doing all of this self-improvement stuff, but I haven't changed. It's because you keep trying to build on a rotten foundation. You keep trying to build good habits, except while keeping the bad habits as well. I'm gonna say it one more time before I end this video. If you want to change your life, you have to change something. If you always do what you always did, you'll always get what you always got. No matter what it is. If you always do what you always did, you'll always get what you always got. So change what you put in and change what you get out. God bless you and amen.